There's a gap between skilled workers and workers needed in manufacturing. We are securing the future of manufacturing through a new generation of skilled professionals. We're enabling fresh perspectives and ideas to fuel technological advancements. And then we're contributing to economic prosperity by sustaining a robust manufacturing workforce.
For when it comes to like innovation drivers, I think that it's important to make sure your company is being very innovative in what you're doing. That's what's going to bring in the new audience. If what you're presenting to the public is kind of an old way of going about doing things, not introducing new technologies into your company, it's going to have an impact on people wanting to come to your company and also to wanting to stay at your company.
There's a mismatch between job requirements and available skills due to technological shifts. There is a mass retirements of experienced workers leading to a talent vacuum. So with that being said, a lot of the younger generations think that factory work is dirty, it's dull, it's boring. And it's not anymore. The technology is advancing. There's a whole lot of different things you can do at this point. And there's high demand roles, which insignificant workforce to fill critical, technical, and specialized positions.
I think everybody in the marketplace is seeing this. They're seeing the fact that there's a gap in all of our positions, in our engineering positions. People are struggling to even hold regular employees, but I think it's a very critical point in like the engineering side of things. People have been told their entire lives that they can go into engineering, right? But it's always been promoted towards maybe an oil field or some other sector that's not directed towards manufacturing. And one of the things that we need to do is redirect that focus back into manufacturing and really make sure that we're doing what it takes to close like things like this retirement gap and get the people up to speed.
So there's a need for collaboration between manufacturers and schools. So connecting classroom learning with practical industry applications for job-ready workforce. Introducing students to diverse and appealing manufacturing career paths, and ensuring education aligns with current manufacturing demands to prepare job-ready graduates.
And I feel like this is kind of one of the like first tangible slides. It's one of the first things where I'll kind of get into the ecosystem. And you know, it's because there's not awareness, especially when it comes to somebody getting out of college. Most people don't even know what they're going to do, right? So anybody who's going the extra mile to put more awareness into the colleges, middle schools. I mean, I think you can go even as young as elementary schools. Now, I don't know how, if it's feasible for them or not, but I think it's definitely worth the investment, even all the way back into middle schools. And we'll dive a little bit more into like how you can actually accomplish this.
The perception of manufacturing as dirty or outdated, or an outdated industry. And there's a misconception challenge, which is overcoming stereotypes by showcasing modern, clean, and high-tech manufacturing environments. A way to change that is highlighting innovation, sustainability, and the use of advanced technologies in manufacturing. And then making it appealing to the youth. So illustrating the exciting and dynamic aspects of manufacturing careers to change outdated perceptions. People aren't really standing on a line and just taking things off and putting things back on and waiting for it to come back around anymore. You can do things like programming, CNC machining, and that is more appealing to the newer generations.